Lots of green. I think that's good. Squeeze.
Oh! It didn't work!
Squeeze it.
Huh?
Keep squeezing. In the water. More.
This is sandwich. This sandwich.
Yeah, we gotta cut it, okay? Put it in this one and mix it.
Okay.
And then leave it in there. And do that for this one. Mix it.
Here?
Mm-hmm. And then put this one in that one. Mix.
I want to use them out.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Ouchie, so careful, okay?
I cut them. Where do we stand?
Yeah, I think we have to leave him for a few days and then see what happens.
So which one does work? Oh.
What happened to those?
This one?
What happened to it?
I'm trying. Papa! This one doesn't work.
That one didn't work.
This one worked.
Yeah, what color did it turn?
Green!
It drank the green water?
Yeah. Red is blue. This is it. It turns into orange. But this one is. I'm blue. This is green. This is blue.
Why did that flower turn green?
I don't know. Guys, do you know this flower turned? Yeah, green. Do you know why this flower turned green? Yes! It rose up, down, and princess. When you do the science room, turn the rose green or red or blue or yellow, green, and down. I need to show subscribe button and there is a big thumbs up.